guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best holiday ham. We'll be making some passion fruit honey glazed ham, and to get started I have here a 6-pound spiral ham that I'll be using, and I have some passion fruit jam as well as passion fruit juice. Now you can find this jam at any grocery store that sells Goya products, or you can find it on Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description box. Now if you can't find the Goya one, there's always this one selling at Kroger. It's the passion fruit preserves, and it's a great option as well. I will be using some honey, brown sugar, butter, cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg, as well as some chili paste. So I just thought I'd show you all the juice that I use. It's by Azalco or something. I'm not sure you can find this in any store because I find it at the Asian market. It's like the pure passion fruit juice. It's like puree or whatever, and it has no sugar. It's very tart, and when you're using it to make drink or whatever, you have to mix it with water. So this is the one that I found, and if you have the pure passion fruit that you can blend, that will be perfect. So I went ahead and gave the ham a quick rinse, and I pat it dry. And now I'll be adding some mustard to the ham. I forgot to add these 2 ingredients when I was showing you guys in the beginning, but I'll be adding some mustard, rub that on nicely, and then we will go in with some cloves. Not a lot, we'll just put a few cloves onto the ham because we'll be adding ground cloves into the actual glaze. So the ham will get that glaze all over. So once you finish rubbing on that mustard, we'll go in with the cloves and just, make sure you get a few of them into that ham. Then we will add some passion fruit juice at the bottom of the pan, and we'll cover this and place it in a 350-degree oven for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now let's make our passion fruit honey glaze for the ham. Using 1 stick of butter, we'll add it to the skillet, allow it to melt. Once it melts, we'll go in with our chili paste. We'll allow that to combine with that butter, and then we'll add our passion fruit juice. We'll add the passion fruit jam. Basically, we're adding everything, the sugar and everything here. We will mix really well and allow all the ingredients to combine. It will thicken. Once it thickens, we'll turn the heat off and set aside. And this is the consistency you want to have when you take it off the heat. Now remember, as it cools down, it will thicken even more. So don't allow it to get too thick on the stovetop. After about 1 hour and 20 minutes, this is how the ham is looking. It smells amazing in my kitchen. It smells like Christmas or Thanksgiving. So next we will go ahead and add that glaze to the ham. Add the glaze and make sure you get it up in all the crease and the crevices in all of those slices. Make sure you coat that ham really well with the glaze. Then we will place this back into the oven, this time uncovered. We want to get that caramelization, so we'll place it back into the oven. This time you want to bump your heat up to 425 degrees, and we will cook the ham for about 20 more minutes. We will baste it every 5 minutes. And if you see your ham starts to fall apart, like mine is doing here, you could just take some toothpicks and stick it right back into place. So here I was basting the ham for a second time, and it smells absolutely divine. Like the passion fruit glaze, it was so potent, you can smell it all through my kitchen. Absolutely amazing. You guys will enjoy this if you can find passion fruit jam and passion fruit juice. And here you have it, passion fruit honey glazed ham. It is just something different and perfect for the holidays. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I used down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Have a good day and thank you for watching.